Quick update on the lawn. Coming along pretty good. It's not as green as I'd hoped, but then again, I've been somewhat lazy or really busy. So today I'm going to throw down some fert, which I hadn't done. I've done over a month ago. I should have thrown down a lot more to really get it greened up. I'm going to throw down a good balanced fertilizer, and we'll show you that in a minute. I'm just going to give you an update, show you how the yard looks. I mean, it looks really nice. It's cut low. It's cut probably 3/4 of an inch, maybe a little lower with my mallet. Now I'll show you the backyard. As you can see, the backyard is still kind of 50-50 green up, really slow. So I'm gonna throw down some fertilizer. We got three or 4 days of rain coming up, so let's head to the garage and I'll show you what kind of fertilizer I'm going to be putting down. Today's fertilizer of choice is the Anderson's 10-10-10 fertilizer with iron and micronutrients. It's called PGF Balanced, and the 10-10-10, a balanced fertilizer means, you know, same number across the board. You got your nitrogen, which is 10, your phosphorus and your potassium at 10. And this goes down, I believe it covers, one bag will cover 5,000 square feet. Yeah, here it is. At the light rate, 3.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So this is 18 pounds. So yeah, right at 5. I'm gonna put one bag on the front yard, which is 4,300 square feet, and then the backyard, I'm gonna do another bag. It's 3,500 square feet. So I have some left over between the two, and then I'll have another little project area I'm gonna put the rest of it on. But yeah, this should go down good. This is, like it says, golf course quality. Let me open up the bag and show you what it looks like. Really fine prill size. This is a really nice bag. I mean, it has a spreader model settings for a lot of different model spreaders. The Anderson's, the AgriFab, the Earthway, and the last two is Scott's. Here it is, 18 pounds, 18 pound bag. It'll feed 5,000 square feet with 0.36 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. Okay, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. This comes out, that's nice. Had a spill there. Look how small the pill size is on this. It's like almost like sand, fine sand. So it should go down really good. I have an Impro spreader, which is similar to the Let's Go one. Unfortunately, the Let's Go is not on here. I'll set this right at 5 on the Impro spreader. Always close your hopper before you pour it in. Look at this. Oh, sometimes you forget. I'm in a hurry. I have to leave in less than an hour, so I gotta get this down before I leave and it rains. But I ended up putting the entire bag on 4,300 square feet, and also ended up having to change the spreader setting on the M-Pro 100-pound spreader to 10. It just wasn't coming out at 5. Even bumped it up to 7 and 8, still wasn't coming out good. So 10, perfect size. Put down the whole bag. So after these 3 days of rain, this should really pop. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Just a real quick throwdown of the 10-10-10 PGF Balanced by the Andersons. If you've used that product, leave me a comment below, let me know if you like it. This is my first time using it. It is about $34 a bag for 18 pounds. So it's fairly high, but again, this is PGF Balanced, the 10-10-10. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's been right at 6 days since I threw down the PGF Balanced. See if you can notice a green up here. Also, we'll head back to the backyard and I'll show you what it looks like. I think the front yard does look a little greener. It's midday now, so it's a little brighter. So it may not show up quite as well on camera. So let's go to the backyard and look. All right, guys, here we are in the backyard. Sun just came out. I tried to run around and beat the sun from coming out because I think the green shows up better when it's a little overcast. But I believe the backyard is really greening up some. Hope you guys enjoyed this video about PGF Balanced. If you've used it, let me know in the comments. Let me know if it's worked well for you. Be sure you hit the subscribe button right down here in this corner, and also hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Appreciate you guys.